Hello, thank you for joining me today. We are going to be going over the basics for creating and using a composite ingredient. When you have the same ingredient from a few different suppliers, there's going to be differences in the nutrient content. So the program allows you to average those to give you a more solid picture of the nutrient content. All we have to do is go to New Composite Ingredient and type in a name. I'm going to use Composite Hamburger Bun for this example. And then like a recipe, it opens up with a search screen so you can enter your individual ingredients into it. And I know that I have hamburger buns from these suppliers, so I'm going to select those. I can make multiple selections here by holding down the control key while I'm clicking. Enter them in, and it automatically comes in as 100 grams total. So you can look at the spreadsheet and see what each of the different hamburger buns contributes to the whole, or to the average. All right, one of the things I want to show you over here is I want to go ahead and check the supplier column to display so you can see over here what suppliers we're getting our hamburger bun from. All right, let's look at this over here. What I'm going to do here is add a common measure of 1 each. That is an average of all of the hamburger buns. And in this case, that's 50 grams. So I'm going to go ahead here and click add, enter in 1, select each. And type in 50 grams. This will let me add 1 hamburger bun easily when I use it in a recipe. Something else I want to talk about is the ingredient statement. We don't want the ingredient to read hamburger bun composite, so what I will do instead is create an alternate name for this. Click edit, and I will just make it hamburger bun. So now what I'm going to do is save this and create a recipe. So I'll get a new recipe called hamburger, and I will find my hamburger bun. There it is. And then I'm going to enter, remember I entered 1 each, so I'm going to go ahead and do 1 each. And I'm going to enter a hamburger patty at 1 each also. And if I go over here to my ingredient statement, then I can see that my alternate name that I have, hamburger bun, is what's showing up down here, which is good. And then if I go to my allergen statement, the recipe is going to pull in any allergens that are associated with the ingredients. So as with other allergen statements, I'm going to have to go through and uncheck anything that I know that's not associated with these hamburger buns. That concludes this tutorial. Thank you.